Hey, what's up? Today out at Marine Room at La Jolla. Pretty good time. Saw some leopard sharks out there and some different animal life out there. Water was kind of stirred up, I'll have to admit. Beautiful blue sky, but just a lot of waves, a lot of current out there. And just more than the leopard sharks, as beautiful as they are, so beautiful. They're just so graceful in the water, and there's just a majestic beauty about them. But more than just the leopard sharks, I just absolutely love that area of Marine Room, in between Marine Room and La Jolla Cove. You know, the differences between, I've snorkeled it in Hawaii, the Philippines, Malta, Turkey. I was there for more reasons than just snorkeling, believe me. I was there preaching, I was doing different things for churches over there and stuff, but while I was there, I was able to, you know, have some fun, get in the water and do some stuff. And but I don't know, there's just something about La Jolla, just the whole area of La Jolla, all the reefs. I guess the difference is, you know, those places have warm water, just about crystal clear water. I mean, you could see 50, 75, 100 feet in some of those places. Super clear. Hawaii had beautiful, beautiful fish. But underwater at La Jolla, it just seems like you're in this like rainforest or something. I don't know, I can't explain it, but just the greenery of the seaweed grass, the different color on the reef and the rock, the big Garibaldi, orange Garibaldi fishes. I really enjoy San Diego. I really enjoy La Jolla, and I hope you enjoy this video. Like I said, saw some beautiful leopard sharks today. Water was kind of stirred up, but I'm just gonna put together a little bit of a video here that has probably a year and a half to 2 years different videos of snorkeling at La Jolla, and sea turtles and seals and, you know, lobster and this little crazy little amoeba. It's called a Spanish flamingo amoeba, some crazy name, but it was just like a little, the size of like an eyebrow, and it was just going like this through the water, and the colors were just majestic. So anyway, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and give a shout out, give me a comment. Maybe you want to meet, maybe you live in San Diego, maybe you don't. Maybe you want to come out to San Diego. I have masks and wetsuits and fins and everything that you need, and I'm always up for bringing people out. So hope you enjoy.